One last point I'd like to make. This is kind of in your lab book, so I wanted to just go over these diagrams. So if I plotted over time the amount of DNA that is in a cell, in a particular cell, and this is of course during cell division, if I was considering mitosis, what would be happening is I would start with a certain amount of DNA, and then during the synthesis process, the amount of DNA would double, right? Because I'm making sister chromatids. And at the very top of that line then is going to be G2. That is getting ready to divide. And I'm going to have prophase, metaphase, and during anaphase, the chromosomes are separating. And by the time at the end of telophase, I've gone back to the original amount of DNA. And then if I was a cell and I was going to continue to do mitosis, I could go through the process again. Okay, so this is just mitosis. In meiosis, though, how would that be different? So if I look at meiosis, this is kind of what would be happening. So in meiosis, I'm going to have that DNA amount, same thing as before, and it is also going to double during the first part of meiosis, that is during synthesis. And then I'm going to have G2, of course, this is all meiosis 1. I'm going to have G2 prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 would be where it's going down. That is like right here where it's going down. And then I'm going to have a very short interphase, and I'm going to go through prophase 2, metaphase 2, and then anaphase 2 is where it's going down again. That is where the dyads are being separated into individual chromosomes. So that at the very end, I'm going to have half the amount of DNA that I started with.